the case study topic, which is the electric field shielding, which is used in our MRI application, which is taking the case in hospital. Okay. In the subject electromagnetic fields and wave, we are mainly focusing on our electric field. We know that what is the purpose of electric field and where the electric field is used. And taking the real-time applications of hospital scenario, the MRI, which is we know that which is a magnetic resonance imaging, where it is having electric field as well as magnetic field. In previous year, the MRI, which is lessly used in our hospital because of poor shielding. Where nowadays the MRI machines with our recent technology, it is updated with our copper shielding. By using the copper shielding as well as Faraday cage induction motors are used in MRI, it is widely used in our hospitals to find the shaft internal organs damages where the parts are damaged. With the help of MRI imaging, we can easily identify the location where it is damaged. And mostly it is helpful for patients diagnosis, and also in staff nurses, in doctors, it is mainly used to predict the internal organ damages. And where in the MRI, the electric and magnetic field, it is operating in a radio frequency where it is very high frequency, where the human cannot be bear this frequency. When in MRI, while diagnosing, the patients will be sent in our MRI machine, and some other the electronic gadgets and other ornaments will not be allowed when the patient is under diagnosis. After diagnosis, the MRI and CT scan also, nowadays the CT scan also be used in all the diagnosing purpose for leg and for head and all. We are using this MRI and CT scan. But mainly the disadvantage of MRI and CT scan is that the MRI, after if one patient is undergoing the MRI and CT scan, for 2 years it cannot be taken in their body because of the electromagnetic field that was injected in their body. Okay, taking these applications, the MRI machines, you can discuss the electric field mechanism where in the MRI machines it is used. Okay. We have some discussion related to the topic, and we can start one by one. We can start our discussion.
Electric field shielding is an important topic in hospital MRI systems, because MRI systems require a highly controlled electromagnetic environment. MRI or magnetic resonance imaging is a non-invasive diagnostic technique which we can use to obtain images of the internal organs, soft tissues like a brain or a spinal cord, etc. Unlike CT scan and or X-ray, it does not use any radiations. Instead, it operates using the strong magnetic field and varying electric field and radio frequency signals. During MRI, electric field is generated as a process of image processing. This electric field can disturb the surrounding sensitive electronic components and results in inaccuracy of the MRI imaging. So that we can implement the design of electric field shielding in MRI rooms designs. In this case study, we focus on the importance of electric field shielding in MRI room designs.
So we are going to see an electric field which is used in MRI. As she told, we in MRI rooms we use an electric field interference as it used to scan a body to know where we had problems in our body. So while electric field shielding is used, we can see an image in MRI scans. So while doing an scan, we have gadgets like mobile phones and other hospital equipment. It can affect the particles so that the MRI scan get discharge and the diagnosis often get disturbed. So the scan of an image get wrongly, and scans are went wrong, so that we are not should not take in gadgets or other things while going to an MRI scans.
Electric field shielding used in MRI rooms. In hospitals, the MRI room is achieved by using the electric field and used by the Faraday cage concept. The conductive materials used in the MRI rooms are copper sheets, copper mesh and aluminum panels. These conductive materials using in the MRI rooms as per the walls, floors, doors and ceilings, etc. They do not allow the external force or shielding forces inside the MRI rooms. They redirect the electric field shielding inside the ground. The special attention is given to ground and filters used in the cables. These are all maintained the electric field inside the MRI rooms without interfering the other forces inside the MRI cables. The MRI rooms, they do not allow the metal ornaments or something inside the MRI rooms, because they will affect all the electric field lining will affect all, and it will observe the things. So the patients are not allowed to wear anything inside the MRI rooms. They pretend to be safe and secured inside the MRI rooms. The MRI scanning is mainly to the head to the toe. Everything will be pretended using the MRI scans. So the patients wisely use the MRI scans in the hospitals.
In multi-speciality hospital, the MRI rooms are mostly nowadays earlier it gets lots of distortion due to image not figuring in a clear way, and there are noises. After some investigation by the engineers, they found that it is due to some of the distortion near these scanning areas. So they improved by using their hospitals by upgraded copper shield. By using this shielding effect, after sometimes they reduced all the obstacles they faced, like image gets clarity, and that there is no distortions. So by seeing this real-time example, we came to know that electric field shielding is how efficiently using in the real-world appliances, like an MRIs and in all electrical fields.
To conclude, this electric field shielding has several advantages in MRI rooms. First, it prevents patient and staffs, and it protects electromagnetic interface, and it increases equipment, and it makes international safety measures, and it takes high quality MRI images. Thus electric field shielding has played a vital role in healthcare technology and patient safety.
From our discussion, we came to know how the electric field and magnetic field will be used in our hospitals for imaging purpose. By using this MRI images, we can easily diagnose where the internal organs get affected. Most in recent technology, we came to know the copper shielding and Faraday motors and aluminium shielding were widely used in MRI applications. Okay, thank you students for the discussion.
Thank you.